Hi everyone, welcome back. Happy Thursday. I hope you're having a nice day. I am, because I'm excited to draw with you guys this morning. So, before we do that, I first would like to give a shout out to Founders Memorial School in Essex Junction, Vermont. I painted a mural there, I had a great time, and I love the shirt because, not surprised, that's a cat, a bobcat to be exact. So, thank you. All right, let's choose what we're going to mash up today. And we're now up to 130 suggestions when I add this. Okay, so there's about 10 more. I'm going to choose one, put a couple here. Okay. All right, this one is from, Genevieve Hebert. And she's turned in a lot of entries. So when you get a chance, please comment in the section below and make a mashup idea on either YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Alright, so Genevieve would like us to mash up a bear and a Jolly Rancher. It's going to be really fun. But for the sake of copyright, I think we're just going to stick with candy instead of Jolly Rancher. I hope that's okay, Genevieve. Okay, I'm going to turn on my projector and go to the other side of our kitchen table and do a Jolly Rancher. My cup is in the way of a Jolly Rancher and bear mashup. Alright, so the first thing we need to draw, keep in mind, there's no erasing. I'm using a Sharpie and I draw really fast. If you need to pause, please pause. And again, you don't have to draw your character exactly, or your mashup exactly how I'm drawing it, okay? So the first thing you need to draw will be a fuzzy head. To draw something fuzzy and fun, okay? And then complete the head. So draw almost like a gumdrop shape for the bear. He's fuzzy, like Fuzzy the Bear. Okay, draw one cute ear on the top left of the bear, and draw another cute ear on the right side of the bear's head. Then if you'd like, you can add details inside the ears. Alright, yesterday, the principal of T.J. Connor Elementary in Scottsville, New York, the principal, Dr. Murray, he did his own drawing demo, which is amazing. That principal can draw. So he drew with the students online, just like how I'm doing it. It's really impressive what the drawing he did. But I learned a lot from his demo. So I've been drawing my eyes. See, there's sort of like a marker print behind it. This is only a sketch. So he said, when drawing my eyeballs, characters' eyeballs, I draw one big circle and a smaller one. Okay, that's super exaggerated. And he said, draw two letter C's inside. I love that. So yeah, we are technically drawing two letter C's. So thank you, Dr. Murray. And then you fill them in. So keep that in mind when I ask you to draw the eyeballs. So let's do the same, but a smaller scale for the bear. So draw one big eye and a little one. Once again, if I'm drawing too fast, you can pause this YouTube video. Then draw one letter C and another letter C, okay, and an even smaller letter C, then fill in the middle part. Thank you, Dr. Murray, for that helpful suggestion. Okay, now let's add more details on the face. So add a 3/4 circle near the bottom portion of the head. Then let's draw the cute nose. So when filling them in, you can fill in portions of the drawing later on, and you can add color later on too with a marker, colored pencil, crayons, and all my characters are happy. So give him a smile, or her a smile. Then let's draw the part of the candy, which is the body of the bear. Draw sort of like a rectangle with a curve with curved sides. Now let's draw the twisted wrapping of the candy, which is really fun to do. So a whole bunch of triangles. They're almost like mini explosions. Then repeat the rectangular part of the top of the candy. Once again, your drawing doesn't have to be perfect. Then let's add some of the branding or wrapping details. One line on each side. So this is technically Jolly Rancher, but again, for copyright reasons, I'll just write candy. Where you can write the name of your favorite candy right here. Candy. We're almost done. Now let's add the paws. Let's draw 4 fuzzy circles. Make the bottom ones bigger for the feet, and smaller ones fuzzy circles to the very top. Then let's add some paw details. So draw 3 or 4 circles and a bigger pad at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Bigger pad at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Bigger pad at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. And a pad at the bottom. Okay, isn't he cute? And you can add whatever you'd like to your bear. I'll give him a bow tie. Okay, and I will sign this. And I will mail this to Genevieve. Alright, I'll go back over here, turn off my projector, and Genevieve, hello. When you get a chance, please email me your address at smileyb@bataclan.com. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when a new episode is released, because I'm doing this every day. Before I sign off, I first would like to say thank you to the folks who have been ordering paintings from me lately. I truly appreciate it. So full-time artists like me and small businesses during these challenging times really love and appreciate your support. So thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of the day, and see you again tomorrow. Bye!